Hi folks, this is Rich Probert with Steinbring Motor Coach, and I'm standing in the brand new 2020 3545 New Aire. This coach has the Urbana interior and exterior along with caramel cherry glazed woodwork inside of it. I hope you enjoy this tour. As we begin our tour of our New Aire 2020 3543, I think it's real important for you to understand what brought the New Aire back, because it was built in 2001 and 2002. The New Aire was a conception of people that were desiring to maybe downsize from their larger motorhomes without giving up any of the amenities that they had in that coach. Well, the New Aire fits all of that. It has all the features of our high-end Newmar product lines. It's a great coach, offers a lot of bang for what's inside this small footprint. We'll start our tour off by taking a look at the driver's cockpit here in the 2020 New Aire. This coach sits on the Freightliner chassis, which features a new updated steering column with shifters on the side handles as well. This coach has the silver leaf digital dash, along with some large monitors for the radio and for our camera system as well. Very nicely laid out for the driver's convenience. On the passenger side, you're going to notice a full wall slide where our sleeper sofa is located with the two ottomans. This coach also has a china cabinet, and behind the china cabinet is a pantry as well. And over on our other side, behind the driver's seat, is where our dining area is. As we turn our attention to the kitchen area of this 3545 New Aire, it is equipped with a dishwasher, microwave convection oven, and a very large kitchen sink that's mounted underneath the countertop. Lots of great storage above and below as well. This coach in the New Aire will have the Silverleaf system in it as well, which can be found also in the Mountain Aire, London Aire, Essex, and King Aire. It's a great touchscreen that allows you to control everything in this motorhome. Right next to it, new in 20, is our new light control system in here. And you'll find these LED boxes throughout the coach to control your lights, accents, and other features in the coach as well, like your televator, fans, and miscellaneous items like that. In the 2020 New Aire, we have a 40 by 32 shower area. This features dispensers up above, or just a shower head, and then our aqua view in this coach as well. We equip this as well with the fold down seating area too. Our vanity area in our bathroom features a very large countertop area, storage below, medicine cabinet, and again, well lit makeup area along with some storage off to the side. New in the 2020 3545 floor plan is a king size bed. This has Venetian blinds behind back, so there's a large window opening behind it. Large storage area opposite of the bed as well, along with our entertainment center and TV. There are 6 full drawers down below and some overhead cabinetry as well. We've equipped this coach as well with the stack washer dryer by Splendy. Washing machine down below, dryer up above. As we look at our rear cap storage, we have a lot of great hanging space back here. We've also equipped it with the shoe storage area. The breaker panel is back here, access to the washer dryer, along with a lot of great other floor space there for storage for tubs as well. This concludes our tour of the 2020 3545 New Aire. As you look at the exterior of this coach, you'll notice Newmar's masterpiece finish that they put on all their luxury line coaches. Beautifully well done. For more information, visit our website at www.steinbring.com or give us a call 320-834-6333.